Okay, I'll try to keep this as brief as I can. It's like, here's the issue. I'm going through this PDF Wi-Fi penetration testing guide. Now, I'm in the first section under basic commands, and let's see. Actually, if we go over here, just scroll down. Okay, first set of commands, basic stuff. Setting a variable. Also, there was this iwconfig that I wasn't sure about, so I decided to go onto a Linux tablet, and I'll show you what I got here. Okay, on the tablet, I did the IWF command, and it affects wireless extensions, or supposedly, because right here I get the 802.11, which is basically for Wi-Fi, and I get the network name, MAC address, and other information. Now, this thing about iFace, not too sure about. I'm going to have to look into that. So when I tried running iwconfig with iFace, nothing happened. Basically, it was the same thing. But there were other commands here, like this airmon-ng check kill. Well, first of all, airmon doesn't work unless you install AirCrack, which I did. Here. See, it's like this does not work unless AirCrack has been installed. So I installed it. Great, that worked. Now we go down here. It goes through all that, and yes, it's done. Now, I was actually remoted into this tablet when I did this, and then I discovered that I lost connection. Because apparently when you run this under root, airmon-ng check kill, I wasn't aware of what it does, but apparently it wiped out my network access, any type of network access on this tablet. Good to know. Not going to do that again. So bear in mind, that's not going to happen anymore. This is when it was done, killing these processes. That's the PID, and there it is, WPA supplicant. Apparently, just trying to run it again does not work, so it gave me a whole list of things here to work with, and I don't have that going just yet, but I got a little bit of testing to do. But very important, anybody who's going to be messing with AirCrack, if you're going to run that command, that can do some damage. Try to look up how to reverse it first. That's my advice to you. And that's basically what I'm going to be looking up now.